Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can integrate Redtrack with Woocommerce, so let's get started. First, download the Redtrack plugin for Woocommerce to your computer. Then, log in to your WordPress admin panel and navigate to Plugins, then click Add New, then Upload Plugin. After that, press Choose File, upload the downloaded plugin from your computer, click Install Now, and then activate the plugin. Next, go to Plugins. After that, Installed Plugins, find the Redtrack plugin, and then press Settings. After that, you need to perform 3 key actions to make sure your events are tracked accurately. First, add the universal tracking script. Then, check the boxes next to the required events in the plugin settings. After that, add those same events inside your Redtrack account. In your Redtrack settings, add the universal tracking script into the script field. Then, go to the Advanced Conversion Settings section and check the box for Purchase Order Status Completed. After that, depending on your needs, you may also choose Purchase Order Status Processing. Finally, keep in mind that enabling both completed and processing purchase events may cause duplicate conversions in Redtrack. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.